Dry film thickness inspection requires many measurements to ensure a coating job meets the required specification. SSPC PA2 requires at minimum 5 spot readings per 100 square feet. Each spot is the average of at least 3 individual readings. Many coated structures have large surface areas, resulting in many measurements. A ship with 300,000 square meters of surface area will require 45,000 readings per SSPC PA2 and 300,000 readings for standard IMO PSPC. Now, by keeping workers safely on the ground, Apellic's aerial robotics reduce the manual intensity of DFT and provide a safer way to conduct inspections at height.